Hi, welcome to Faith of a Mustard Seed. This is a cold process soap video. I am Tina Moenck. I did want to talk about why there was a delay in some videos and what happened in 2018. We had some unexpected things happen, one of which was our dog Katie had puppies. That was a tremendous amount of work, and my hat's off to people that do that for a living. We were trying to wait to get her spayed till she got a little bit older, but we went ahead and got her spayed, and she ended up getting tetanus from her spay surgery, and she didn't make it a month after her surgery, and then we ended up losing her, and that was a very hard time. She couldn't do anything for herself during that time. And then the day before she passed away, I found out I was pregnant. So yeah. And then I've been horribly sick. I couldn't do hardly anything the first trimester, so I'm doing much better now. But I just wanted to kind of let you guys know what was going on. And I am going to have to postpone the Soper Babe, the cosplay soap things that I was planning on doing. So there's going to be a lot of changes in 2019. And one of which is this new soap here, which is a soap with mustard seed oil, and I used mustard powder, and I even put some mustard seeds on top at the end. But I do have another store that's interested in my soaps, and this kind of goes along with their name, so I wanted to make it specifically for them. And I also have another coffee soap video that'll be coming up after this one. That's for the same store as well. But I've never done a mustard seed oil soap, so I wanted to kind of show it and kind of talk about it a little bit. This mustard seed oil, the only place I could find it was Amazon. And I do want to talk about the fatty acids that are in the mustard seed oil too, because it's a little bit different. There's only a few oils that actually have a high amount of the erucic acid, and the mustard seed oil is one of those. So I put those up on the screen, the fatty acid profile for the mustard seed oil. If you are interested in learning more about fatty acids and being able to create recipes at a more advanced level, I do have a course that is devoted to that completely. And I will put the link in the description box below as well for that too. Now this, I'm just adding a little bit of mustard powder. I mixed it in with some of the distilled water and then added it in. And I've also started adding about 1% of the oil weight for sodium citrate. That is a chelating agent, so it helps to reduce soap scum in hard water. And I do have a whole nother course on using citric acid and sodium citrate in your soaps as well. If you're interested in that, I will put a link to that mini course in the description box as well. And I didn't really see much of a color change with using the mustard powder. It may have been a little tint yellow, but the soaps, my soaps are already kind of yellow, so I really didn't notice a difference in that at all. And another thing that I added in there, I'm trying this time, is adding like a fixative for the essential oils, because I'm using citrus with this one. And you can add, some people like to use clays or cornstarch, but I just decided to try some arrowroot powder. So if you've tried that, let me know if you like it, how that works for you. And the two colorants I'm using here are Brazilian yellow clay and French green clay. And then I try never to use a stick blender when I'm mixing in my colors, because I don't want the soap to get too thick on me, so I just whisk it in. If you have any questions, or if you've tried a mustard seed soap, please let me know, how you like it. I have never done this before, so this is going to be interesting to see how I like this soap. And they also say that mustard seed oil is very good for hair, like in a shampoo bar recipe as well too. If you've tried that, let me know too. And this recipe is a little bit higher in hard oils, so this did get a little bit thicker than I wanted it to, but I still managed to end up using the hanger swirl to get some swirls in there. So I normally soap around 100 degrees for cold process. So, but this still got a little bit thick, so like you can tell. Now, so far, this with this right now today, I am 20 weeks pregnant, so I'm doing much better. I'm getting some energy back. I'm still taking it easy. But if you are pregnant and you're wondering about making soap, please talk to your doctor and get the okay. I am using a respirator, the full respirator the whole time while I'm making soap, just to be, err on the extra cautious side there. But Soap Queen also has, keeping the bump safe while making soap. There's a blog post about that and essential oils to avoid and things like that. So you can check that out as well. So with the change of not being able to do the cosplay, the Soaper Babe, I am going to do some more videos on natural baby products as well. And I've also still got the business coaching series planned, so that'll be coming as well. And I'm hoping I can get all this done, before the baby comes, which will be in, if the baby's due June 10th, 2019. So we'll see how much I can get done in between doing remodeling in the house. We're redoing the bathroom, and I'm also having to change my office and / craft room into a nursery. So there's a lot of stuff going on right now. Yes, I do have lots more videos planned, and like I said, there's a coffee soap one coming up after this, and then I am using a body butter, like a baby bump butter. So I want to do a video on that too, because I love this stuff. Using it like crazy. So yes, I will be giving my recipes for all my natural baby products as well. And then a whole series of business coaching videos is coming. And I still get people asking about the hanger swirl tool that I use there. My boyfriend Tyler does make them, but he's not able to make them currently anymore. He was using a family shop, and the land got sold, so they don't have access to their shop anymore, which is stinks a lot. So yeah, he's just not able to make those currently right now. And since this soap here did get very, very thick, I banged it a lot. I still got a few holes, not just tiny ones, but nothing horrible in it. And I always try to save some of the colors to add to the top so I can swirl. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment below, or you can ask in my Facebook group, Soap Making and Business Coaching. If you are not a member yet, please join. We'd love to have you. We have almost 30,000 members in my group now, getting huge, and we've only, I started the group about 3 years ago, I believe, so it's grown quite a lot. I love having you all there and seeing all the new soapers. One more bang. And then I just use wooden skewers to kind of swirl the top a little bit. And then I'm just adding some mustard seeds to the one edge just to give it a little bit of decoration, and wanted to kind of finish off the faith of the mustard seed. So I'm really interested in trying this soap, and then seeing what the store thinks of it as well. So I will be updating that in my group too. And I will show you the cut. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and also check out the description box below for more info. And like I said, you can join our Facebook group, and you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Just search for @TinaMoenck. And I hope you have a very fantastic soapy day, and I will see you in the next video.